Hello friends, welcome back. I hope you all are doing good. In my previous video, you have seen how I upcycle a teapot into beautiful home decor. In today's video, I am making a bandi to add to the teapot decor I made for my Holi decor. And this decor is not only for Holi, you can absolutely use this to decorate your home. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and share it along. To make this decor, I am showing a couple of options that you can use to make this bandi top. The first one is the unfinished shadow box. I wanted about 1 inch depth. The second one I have is an art panel. This is used for paint pouring and I like it does not have much depth. Third, this one is a wood frame that I got it in the Valentine's Day clearance section. If you turn it around, it's a shadow box like the first option. We just have to remove the hanging screws and use this. Basically, what I want to say with these options is, if you can find items similar to these, you can easily make this bandi home decor. For my DIY, I am using first and second options. For the wheels, I am using these unfinished thread wheels. You can easily find them in any craft store or on Amazon. Please do check out the video description from where I got my supplies for this DIY. I am using a simple mandala design here using dotting tools to the base and to the wheels. For this bandi, I am making the same design that I made in my previous videos, the high-low rangoli design with mandala dots. To get more traditional look for the green bandi, I am adding the connections using a wooden half-inch stick. I measured and cut the wooden stick using a hand saw. It's really easy to cut, I can assure you. For the blue one, I did not add the connections as the wheels were small and it looked good without the connections. Place some hand papers before adding any food for serving. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a big thumbs up. See you guys in the next DIY.